Yo, my people, welcome back. Please ignore the fact I'm looking super bummy, but today we are going to continue with episode 5. And the major idea to this is that we need to pass a 50k challenge, and once we do pass the challenge, we'll be provided with phase 2, and after we pass phase 2, then we'll be provided with a live account that we can trade and make money from. So we're going to continue with episode 5 today. We're going to see what the market has for us, and without further ado, let us get straight into it. Currently, we are up by just over 3% so far. Today is currently Tuesday and the time is currently 12:05. So I'm going to be on these charts till 3:30 latest. Hopefully we do find a setup super quick. Trend is going pretty good. You know, mostly wins. We had one losing day and that day we shouldn't have lost. Now we're going to get onto the charts and see if we have any trading opportunities. Nas is moving a bit bullish right now. Just looking at the bigger picture. Just on the smaller, I guess, time frame, just looking at what's going on here, then we might actually be pushing to the upside. We've got a cheeky change of character right now. Yeah, so I mean, this is sort of the only setup in play right now. I'm not really sure about how it's looking. I know Euro GBP is therefore bullish for sure. I think I do like what Naz is doing right now. So we do have this. I mean, I guess I'll just do it this way. But realistically, we do have this break of structure right here, right? So I definitely like how this is looking. And what I'll do for this right now is if Naz decides to come back in here, then we'll definitely have a setup in play already. We'll see if they do return there though. Fully fill the gap now. So now it's just sort of waiting and see what happens on our next candle. Stop loss would be around here unless this decides to come back down. And for this trade, I'm looking for a 1-to-1 most likely. Okay, so we can see it's rejected nicely. I do feel like I'm turning aggressive, but I'll play it patient, right? The week just started. Let's start safe. Let's just, you know, get the money rolling, then later in the week we can be a bit more aggressive with it. But you can see we've got a beautiful rejection now. So this trade is now invalid, so we're not looking for this no more. So the only other setup now is this, if it does go there though. I think this Naz might be our only hope. Oh, you can see the volume's looking crazy. Nearly missed that though. But we've got a decent entry. Somewhat decent entry. I'm aiming for this high, so shouldn't be too bad. That should be about a 1 or 2, I think. Hopefully we don't get any fake outs or re-entries or anything like that, because Naz has been doing that recently. That rejection looking crazy already. Okay, we're looking good. I like this. Volume's looking beautiful. This is a very nice setup, I believe. Let me just look at the higher time frame quick. So this is also a 15-minute setup, so I don't see why this wouldn't win at all. I literally, this should win easily, but you never know, right? That's kind of how it is with these setups. Hopefully we can close above a candle right now. I don't think that's going to happen actually. Maybe this candle is it. We have 25 minutes till now's opening. 25 minutes should be enough to be out of this trade though. Just going to get ready to close just in case. This is a bit ridiculous right now. I mean, we basically hit, but not on trading view. So yeah, I think this trade is done.
Hi, good day. This is Amber calling from job site. Are you looking for a work like part-time or full-time job?
No, not at the moment, sorry.
Okay, bye.
Bro, I don't know how they got my number. It doesn't make any sense. This trade right now is moving crazy. It's literally 1 pip away from my stop loss. Like, it's just teasing me. Like, either get me out or keep going my way. Alright, so we've got a nice rejection again. But is it going to keep that up though? There's 1 minute left till this candle closes. It's taking some serious composure right now. Because the main thing for me is once it hits my stop loss, hopefully it doesn't just do like a huge burst and then we're down like 700 unnecessarily, right? But at the same time, spreads could have taken me out way earlier right now when I don't deserve to actually be out of the trade. You get what I mean? So the main thing for me is that I'm literally got my magic here right now. I'm just ready to leave. But there's been a time when I closed it by accident, like my finger just moved, right? And I didn't mean to. That's happened before. So right now, I'm trying to really control these muscles. Wow, this is really playing around right now. It's crazy. Like, we've got a decent rejection. Can we keep that up though? There we go. Oh. My goodness me. That's a crazy one. Now, the lesson from this is literally, again, do what trading view. Follow trading view. If I kept my stop loss again, this would have been the second time I would have been stopped out. Second time, right? I would have been stopped out before I actually hit my stop loss. I don't like, this is playing, come on Naz, Naz is playing way too much, bro. Now we have Naz open in literally 20 minutes. I can't be around here when Naz opening happens just because of the crazy spikes and all that, right? We don't want to be in that situation. We want to be in prof, maybe around here. If I get 101 before NAS opening, I might just take that. I'm trading view, you can see what I put my stop loss, right? You can see right now, we didn't hit my stop loss. My stop loss is right here. So, on trading view, we're safe. Okay, whoa. I actually feel like this zone's going to hold, but because it's a 15-minute zone as well, I might just become liquidity, and then they'll eventually go our way. We're out. I'm not sure if it's going to give a re-entry. If she does, then cool. We'll keep an eye out for that. But this is the second time now that NAS has done this though. That USD Swiss trade as well. You can see right now this one is just playing around. Today is a bit of a weird price action. Today has not been the best at all. Okay, now the thing is we have NAS opening in literally 5 minutes, right? Is it worth entering this trade? Now you see how we are in a huge pickle because this could still go our way. The trade is not invalid yet. This is literally a replay of episode 2 kind of, you know. Could come to the zone as well first, hold, then carry on. That is a possibility. There's also liquidity sitting down here. They could do that as well. I'm in like swimwear, so this has to just keep pushing up. Otherwise, this is going to be a mazzoline. Just because we have NAS opening in 5 minutes, this is super high risk right now. Actually, because we have NAS opening, I'm going to remove my TP. I'm going to remove my TP just because I'll leave one and I'll remove the other. So at least we'll secure some. I'm definitely putting my stop loss there though for sure. You can see this is a repeat of episode 2 once again. And volume's looking good so far. I have a feeling once it gets here, it might struggle a little bit. 3 more minutes till NAS opening. Hopefully we can secure our money back. Sheets are clenched. Sweating bullets. It's still part of our setup, still part of our strategy. So if this loses, it's fine. I'm okay with it. Definitely the last trade for the day though. We want this to be as far away from our stop loss as possible. As far away from it as possible. So if it does want to play around, we have some breathing room for that. I'm looking for at least a 1 or 2 to make our money back. This is also 15-minute setup, so I do have faith that I can push higher. We have NAS opening in 40 seconds. Hence, because we can either lose 2% right now or make our money back, right? In a split second, we can make our money back or lose it. Like we could close now, right? We can usually close right now and play it safe and get our money back. Right now, I've hit the 1-to-1. We can get our money back right now or make more. We're pushing. We're still pushing. 10 seconds left. But are we going to swoop this high or no? There's liquidity shit right there. Are we going to swoop the highs or no? If I can just get a bag is all I'm looking for. And that's about it. Okay. So we're pushing up. I think. Can we keep going? See, it's struggling a little bit. Ooh, we've literally swept where I would have left. Low key. Because I usually leave that around here. Okay, I like that rejection. Nice. Okay, cool. I think I'm out. Close one position. And yeah, I'm out. I'll take it. I'll take my 1 or 2. So we can see this out right here. I marked up this spot because this is we have like a 15-minute supply right there in case it does push up like crazy. I left right here. So here's the current update. We can see that we're slowly climbing. We are up by about 4% now, 4% and a bit. Now we just need to make another 4%. So we've had another winning day so far. We only lost once. So yeah, we're doing all right. Thank you guys for watching. If you do want to trade like I do, then be sure to join the membership group down in the link below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.